Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you can rule out simple causes quickly. Check battery level and plug in for 15 to 30 minutes. Make sure the charger and cable are known good. Once done, inspect for physical damage and recent app installs that coincide with shutdowns. Now boot into safe mode or equivalent. This temporarily disables third-party apps so you can see if the phone still turns off, which tells you whether software or hardware is likely responsible. You now dive into the middle steps that separate fixable software issues from hardware faults. Update the OS and firmware. Make sure apps are current and uninstall anything suspicious, then clear system caches to remove corrupted data. Use battery health tools and process monitors to watch for sudden CPU spikes or drain. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep software faults. If the device has a replaceable battery, try a known good spare to confirm You finish by applying the definitive corrections and preparing for escalation. If diagnostics point to battery or power circuit failure, replace the battery or consult a repair shop for board-level fixes. Make sure parts are OEM or quality equivalents. If the phone is bricked, reinstall firmware using recovery tools or visit an authorized service center for flashing. If things still go wrong, document the exact shutdown behavior, error logs, and steps you tried so a technician can fix it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.